5 proven ways to increase your breast size fast. Most women grow up thinking that the only way to get bigger breasts is through surgery. But that is far from the truth. It's all about understanding how our bodies function and how we can provide our bodies what they need to grow. You see, our bodies are changing all the time depending on what they absorb. If you drink tons of milk as a child, you will make your bones stronger. If you eat tons of veggies, you will make your skin so healthy that it glows. And if you eat tons of carbs, you will force your stomach to get bigger. When it comes to your boobs, there are 5 different methods that force your body into growing them exponentially. Each one of these methods has been proven to be effective over time. But not all of them will work on your own body because we all have different bodies and different genetics. That is why I will show you a way to figure out which method will work best for your unique body at the end of this video, so stay tuned till the end. 1. Pueraria mirifica. Pueraria mirifica is an indigenous herb from Thailand with high phytoestrogenic properties which increase your estrogen levels. Estrogen is the hormone most responsible for breast growth. The 3 main estrogen hormones include estradiol, estrone, and estradiol. Estradiol is the strongest of the 3. A girl begins secreting estrogen hormones between the ages of 8 and 13, which marks the beginning of puberty, and causes the breast growth spurt that teenage girls experience. By supplying the body with estrogen, one can mimic the effects of puberty and induce breast growth. Which is why many natural breast enhancement products contain some form of phytoestrogens. Pueraria mirifica differs from the phytoestrogens typically found in other phytoestrogenic herbs because it contains myroestrol and deoxymeroestrol, which possess the highest estrogenic activity due to structural similarity to estradiol, the strongest of the estrogen hormones. In addition to these 2 potent phytoestrogens, Pueraria mirifica also contains isoflavones, which also mimic the effects of estrogen in the body. 2. Herbal breast enhancement. Herbal breast enhancement methods use the biological principle of hormonal balance to gently stimulate breast growth. This principle is really nothing new. For centuries, herbs have been used in various cultures throughout the world for beauty, overall health, and of course, breast enhancement. Modern science is just becoming aware of the health and beauty benefits of various herbs, which are healthier and more cost-effective methods of breast augmentation. Herbal breast enhancement works by stimulating or decreasing levels of specific hormones in the body. By mimicking the body's hormones, herbal breast enhancement provides your body the building blocks necessary for breast growth. 3. Vaalu Feline. Vaalu Feline is a trademarked cosmetic substance that is a combination of a plant extract known as sarsasapigenin and hydrogenated polyisobutene. Sarsasapigenin interacts with adipose cells and triggers them to divide and grow. When combined with the hydrogenated oil polyisobutene, sarsasapigenin also increases the amount of fat stored. Together, these 2 create the perfect tag team of creating more fat and then storing them away in the areas to which Vaalu Feline is applied. The synergetic ingredients in Vaalu Feline work directly on fat cells and trigger them to start reproducing. Once applied to the skin, Vaalu Feline plumps that particular area of the body by stimulating fat production in the area where it is applied. 4. Bovine ovary. Bovine ovary breast enhancement is a form of glandular therapy. The concept of glandular therapy goes way back to the ancient Greeks and Egyptians who believed in the notion of similia similibus curatur, or like cures like. Bovine ovary breast enlargement follows this theory. By ingesting the glandular substance of a certain animal, the human body can enhance and strengthen the function of its corresponding gland. This type of therapy is not only used for breast enhancement but also as a supplement for the body to receive vital enzymes important for various bodily functions. Glandular therapy supplies these vitamins and minerals to the body in a very safe manner since this method has an adaptogenic effect, meaning that the animal glands will be adapted to the human body and act as a substitute by providing the substances the weak human glands fail to provide. This process begins the act of regenerating those tissues and cells. Bovine ovary breast enhancement supplements are derived from the specially prepared and freeze-dried ovaries taken from a female cow. Once ingested, this bovine ovary works in the human body by gradually re-stimulating the pituitary gland, the body's major hormone regulator, in order to reactivate your body's natural growth hormones. The pituitary gland itself controls the functions of the other endocrine glands, and its responsibilities include growth hormone secretion, the stimulation of prolactin, and the secretion of hormones that affect the uterus, ovaries, and adrenal gland. Bovine ovary supplements stimulate this master gland, which reactivates the formant growth mechanism responsible for female breast development. 5. Breast enlargement pumps. Breast enlargement pumps operate through a process called tissue expansion. By applying a gentle suction to the breast tissue, you are able to promote blood flow and tissue growth. This causes stretching of the skin and tissue, and as a direct result of that, new tissue grows and breast size increases. The breast enlargement pump expands the mammary gland tissue to increase the production of new breast tissue cells. During the first 2 months or so, your breasts will swell and expand while and after you wear the breast enlargement pump, but then appear to shrink back in a few hours. That is mainly because this is the first stage of growth when your skin and tissues are being stretched. With a few more weeks, the breasts will begin growing new tissue and the swelling you observe from using the breast enlargement pump should stay. Pumps require motivation, and very often, dedication. It's not as simple as taking a pill or two, but it is a very effective way to increase your breast size externally. But before you rush out to buy a breast enlargement pump, make sure that you can dedicate at least 3 or 4 months to continuous usage. As previously mentioned, the first few weeks of using a breast enlargement pump only stretch the skin and the tissue. Because of this reason, it is not a good idea to stop pumping after just a few weeks. Make sure you can stick through it. Also, a word of warning: breast enlargement pumps that are not well made can tear important breast tissue and vessels. For this reason, don't rush off and buy the first pump you see online. Read many reviews and go over the pros and cons of the best breast enlargement pumps and then make your decision. Each one of these methods will grow your breasts by 2 cup sizes or even more. Considering that you stay persistent with them each day to actually get good results. But it's critical that you only choose one method, because otherwise, you could cause a hormonal imbalance in your body, which you definitely don't want to do. Also, as I said before, we all have different bodies and different genetics, meaning that some methods that work for others might not work for you. And some methods that work for you might not work for others. There is nothing worse than spending time and money on a method that doesn't work for you. But don't worry, I got your back. You can figure out which method works best for your unique body by taking a simple quiz that will recommend a personalized solution based on your body's needs. You can find the link to this quiz in the description below. Also, for sticking with us till the end, you get a bonus. Increase your results by doing a breast massage. Applying your breast growth cream combined with a breast massage will give you better and faster results. Because a breast massage will stimulate blood flow and improve circulation in your chest area, which will help your breasts absorb your cream better and deeper. Not only is this essential for breast growth, but for firmness and overall breast health. That's it for today, ladies. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, subscribe for more content about natural breast enhancement, and comment below if you have tried any of these methods.